Now turn to Section 2.
Okay, item.
Section 2.
Okay.
You will hear an introduction about sports matches. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 17.
Page 2. Court. Okay. Date. Saturday evening date. Okay. George Hansen. Okay. No more than 2 words for each answer. The match always begins.
Now listen carefully
with,
and answer questions
will be awarded
11
an
to
honor and
17.
prize.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mary White, the Secretary of the exciting sports club. Welcome to attend Match's arrangement meeting. I know you are looking forward to a great season. Now, I'd like to give you a short introduction to our arrangement in this season. This season, we still have 2 competitions. One is tennis and the other is soccer. Let's start with tennis. There will be 6 teams competition. We hope the players' ages are between 16 and 22 years old. While the number of soccer teams is only 4 in this season, because we hope all players' ages are no more than 20 years old. Now, in this new season there are some changes. The first one is the venue. We will arrange all our matches for both the tennis and soccer competitions in Magic Park instead of Darry Park, which was used last year. Tennis matches will be arranged on Court 2 and Court 4 will hold soccer matches. Our match schedule, all tennis matches will be played on Sunday afternoons. All matches will begin at 2 o'clock. Soccer matches in this season will be played at 7 o'clock on Saturday evenings. The joining fee is still £30, including a new sport gear. We still offer a week of training session before formal match for our new players. There are 2 training sessions at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. on next Friday and Saturday afternoon. The fee is only £12. Now, I'd like to introduce the coach of each training session, George Hansen, who has been supervised the tennis teams for over 4 years, will still be coach this season. While we will invite a good soccer coach who has enough patience and professional skills to work as this season's soccer coach. His name is Paul Batt. 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 Now, look at questions 18 to 20. Now, a coach who has enough patience and professional skills to work as this season's soccer coach. His name is Paul Batt. Now, look at questions 18 to 20.
20 court 4, okay. Paul Batt, Sunday afternoon, coach, venue 6:20. Okay, coach, venue, okay. The match always begins
Now,
with
listen
will be awarded
carefully
honor prize.
and
All
answer
players must
questions
write
18 to
by
20.
okay, no more than 2 words, okay.
In addition, we offer some activities to thank all players. Please look at your brochure. There are some activities and their time arrangements. At the beginning, we hope to start the season with a barbecue dinner on next Saturday in Magic Park. I do really hope all players will go there to enjoy the dinner, and you may invite your relatives and friends. Of course, they have to pay a little fee, with just £5. And then, after the final match in the season, we will vote this season's MVP, the most valuable player. The 2 players from tennis team and soccer team will gain an honour and a prize from our sports centre. This season we hope all players can send a confirm letter to us to ensure our match arrangement. So please write to us before the deadline. It is on Thursday, 18th of April. Our secretary, David Black, is in charge of collecting fees and your letters in this season. His room number is 214 and his phone is 332567. This is the end of section 2. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Barbecue dinner, okay. Ball bath. Coach, Sunday afternoon, court 4, court 2, venue 6, 20 up to 20 years, okay, tennis, number of teams 6, 4, okay, barbecue dinner, MVP, confirm letter, okay. Okay, venue, code for, okay, Sunday afternoons, ball bath, ball bath, ball bath, ball bath, barbecue dinner, okay, ball bath, Sunday afternoons, venue, okay.